Truly Malaysian. Describe what this means to you. Being citizens of our beloved country, Malaysia, we should be truly Malaysian not only in our feelings but also in our actions. Different Malaysians have different opinions regarding the meaning of truly Malaysian. To me, being truly Malaysian means portraying the Malaysian spirit wherever I am. Being truly Malaysian is about showing respect and being loyal to the country. I should fight to bring glory to the country and be proud to be a citizen of Malaysia. A true Malaysian also obeys the rules and laws of the country. I will act with dignity wherever I am and follow and teach others that rules are there for the good of the people and country. Besides that, being kind to our fellow Malaysians reflects the truly Malaysian spirit. We will not tarnish the country's good reputation by being disrespectful or hateful to one another. We must also respect other people's views and opinions and avoid putting down others to make ourselves feel better. As citizens of the country that is renowned for its multiracial society, true Malaysians should also respect the different customs and cultures of one another's races. We should also have the interest to find out and learn more about one another's ways of life so as to better understand one another and live harmoniously. Since tourists are guests to our country, treating them well is also one of the characteristics of a true Malaysian. The tourism industry benefits our country economically and provides direct jobs to our community. It also helps in our infrastructure development, educational growth, and to fund conservation efforts. In addition, it allows both the tourists and the local community an opportunity to experience other cultures, which broadens understanding. Tourists treated with courtesy and warmth get a good impression of Malaysia and are more likely to visit our country again or even recommend it to their friends and relatives. This further promotes tourism in our country. Since true Malaysians are also patriots, we can also show our patriotism through our actions. Upholding the 5 national principles, supporting domestically manufactured products, using our national language, Bahasa Malaysia, singing our national anthem loudly and confidently whenever required, refraining from committing acts of vandalism on public property or littering in public places indiscriminately, flying our national flag, the Jalur Gemilang on National Day and all formal occasions, among many others, are all examples of the truly Malaysian spirit. In conclusion, the truly Malaysian spirit epitomizes the good values of the Rukun Negara and respects the symbols of the country. Apart from being the good role model for others, a true Malaysian is friendly and kind as well as hospitable to visitors to the country. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.